Hello everybody, my name is Carelia and I'm a Peruvian artist. I welcome you to this small but very meaningful journey to rediscover the art of creating with the earth. We will focus on every step, starting from how to collect the right types of soil and minerals, how to process them and make your own earth pigments, and finally we will paint with them. I will also teach you my 2 favorite techniques to improve your final product, so you can get the results like this. When I say rediscover this technique, I really mean it, because before the 18th century, most pigments used by artists were from natural origin, made up of mixtures of organic dyes, resins, waxes, and minerals. But for this class, we will only focus on creating inorganic pigments made from dirt and rocks. So I'm here to motivate you, whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, to step out of your comfort zone and ignite that spark of inspiration that drives you as an artist. As we get hands-on with ancient art techniques and experiment with your own natural pigments. At the end of this class, you will have awakened your intuitive creativity, learned and experimented a new perspective, and how to see pigments, color, and texture. Join me.